Quantitative methods for choosing projects. Risk management perspective. Real options. Real options analysis is a method of equity analysis that involves evaluating the potential value of options to invest, delay, or abandon a project. This is typically done by estimating the potential cash flows of a project under various scenarios and determining the value of these options using option pricing models. Specifically, we have the following steps to follow, and let's go through the procedure with an example. A company is considering investing in a new technology venture in the biotechnology industry. The company performs a real options analysis to evaluate the potential value of delaying or abandoning the project based on changes in market conditions, regulatory approval, or competition. Here are the steps. Step 1. Identify the options associated with the project. The options associated with the project include the option to invest, delay, or abandon the project based on changes in market conditions, regulatory approval, or competition. Step 2. Determine the potential cash flows of the project under different scenarios. The potential cash flows of the project under different scenarios include the cash flows associated with regulatory approval and the potential cash flows associated with the project if regulatory approval is not granted. Step 3. Determine the value of the options using option pricing models. The company uses a binomial option pricing model to determine the value of the options associated with the project. The model takes into account the potential cash flows and the probability of regulatory approval being granted. Step 4. Calculate the net present value, NPV, of the project. After determining the value of the options, the company calculates the net present value, NPV, of the project by discounting the potential cash flows and the value of the options back to their present value using a discount rate. Step 5. Evaluate the results and make informed decisions. The real options analysis suggests that the project has a positive NPV and that delaying the project to wait for regulatory approval is potentially profitable. The company uses this analysis to make informed decisions about the potential risks and opportunities associated with the project. Pros of real option. 1. Flexibility. Real options analysis allows for flexibility in decision-making by considering the value of various options associated with the project, such as the option to invest, delay, or abandon the project. 2. Enhanced accuracy. Real options analysis provides a more accurate representation of the potential value of a project by incorporating the value of various options associated with the project. 3. Risk management. Real options analysis allows for the consideration of potential risks and uncertainties associated with the project, such as changes in market conditions, regulatory approval, or competition. 4. Strategic planning. Real options analysis can aid in strategic planning by identifying potential opportunities and risks associated with investing in the project. Cons of real option. 1. Complexity. Real options analysis can be complex and requires advanced mathematical skills and knowledge of option pricing models. 2. Data availability. Real options analysis requires the availability of accurate and reliable data to estimate potential cash flows and the probability of different scenarios occurring. 3. Subjectivity. Real options analysis requires subjective assumptions about the potential cash flows and probability of different scenarios occurring, which can impact the accuracy of the analysis. 4. Cost. Real options analysis can be costly in terms of time and resources required to perform the analysis.